The components used include the acrylic protective cover, main body of the distillation device, the operation platform, circuit breaker, air tubing, temperature probe, hex wrench, open-end wrench, 2 electrode wires, gas collection bag, sample material, quartz tube, 2 graphite plugs, and a collection bottle. First, place the main body of the distillation device into the acrylic protective cover. Open the protective cover latches. First, insert the bottom part of the device into the lower shell of the cover. Then gently push the upper section in. Next, connect the power terminals. Attach the positive electrode to the top and the negative electrode to the bottom. Use the open-end wrench to remove the first nut. Insert the red electrode wire. Reinstall the metal plate and nut. And tighten using 2 wrenches. Make sure the electrode wire remains stable. Install the other wire using the same method. Insert the open end of the electrode wire between the 2 metal plates and tighten with 2 wrenches to keep it secure. Make sure the electrode wire is stable. Install the other electrode wire using the same method. To load the sample, insert 1 graphite plug first. Then slowly pour the sample into the quartz tube. Then insert the other graphite plug. Adjust the fixing knob to raise the upper electrode rod. Insert the assembled quartz tube vertically onto the lower electrode rod. Rotate as you insert to ensure the rubber ring fits properly. Adjust the fixing knob again and insert the upper electrode rod into the quartz tube. This step must be done slowly to avoid cracking the quartz tube. Rotate the tube while gently pushing the electrode downward. Ensure that the rubber rings on both ends are fully seated inside the quartz tube. Next, remove the screw on the right side of the distillation device. Insert the temperature probe through the opening. Reinstall the screw. And secure it using a hex wrench. Adjust the temperature probe so that it points toward the reaction zone of the sample, maintaining a distance of 1 to 3 centimeters. Insert one end of the circuit breaker through the center opening of the protective cover and connect it to the temperature probe. Tighten the connection. Attach the collection bottle onto the threaded port and tighten upward. Next, connect the inlet port on the operation platform to the inlet port on the main device. Connect the outlet port to the vacuum port on the operation platform. Insert the inlet tubing from the left opening of the protective cover and connect it to the upper inlet port. Insert the outlet tubing from the right opening of the protective cover and connect it to the lower outlet port. Close and lock the protective cover. Connect the left inlet tube to the operation platform inlet and the right outlet tube to the operation platform vacuum outlet. Connect the vacuum pump to the corresponding port on the operation platform. Connect the external gas supply to the port on the operation platform and attach the gas collection bag. Finally, connect the other end of the circuit breaker to the temperature control cable on the power control cabinet. Connect the positive terminal to the red power cable on the control cabinet and the negative terminal to the black power cable.